Hi everyone, meteorologist Ed Valley here taking a look at the Northeast, and we have really not much happening here today. Looking at the satellite, you can see some high clouds, but really not much happening yet. We do have that system we've been talking about. This is the look tomorrow morning. You can see it's going to turn warmer and wetter throughout the night into tomorrow. So let's talk about it. So first things first, this afternoon and this evening. Temperatures, we're going to start. I like showing these temps at 2,500 feet because it really helps to show how the air mass is trending. So, right now, as I record this, just to give you an idea, it's about 11 a.m. The freezing line at 2,500 feet is in Philadelphia, it's in Belmar, New Jersey. Everything north of there is cold. Watch what happens by dinner time tonight. Now it's in New York City, Montauk Point. So we've taken a trip north, but still decent cold across New England. Now, let's go to midnight. All of a sudden, it's pushing I-90, and then by 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, you can see it's really starting to push north. So, how does this kind of play out as we get into the day on Monday? Well, per usual, these colder air masses can stick east of the Green Mountains. But even there, through the morning into the afternoon, we're going to warm way up with temperatures. You can see here by the afternoon, 7-8 Celsius at 2,500 feet. That's in the 40s. So it's going to be quite warm. So let me go back here and let me talk precip because, again, as this precip moves in, there could be just a little bit of a wintry mix in some of the northernmost peaks because, again, these temperatures take forever to scour out. But most of the precip tonight will be quite light. And as we head into Monday, again, maybe early there's a little bit of cold left north, but it's going to really start to dwindle. And we're going to deal with some spotty showers in New England during the morning on Monday. But notice most of the afternoon most of the morning and afternoon are probably dry south. It's not until the afternoon hours we see this system move in from the west. And you'll see periods of showers during the afternoon tomorrow for most. And that will push eastward through the evening on Monday, and it might even end as a period of snow in some of the higher elevations here of northern New England. And then colder air rushes in with a few snow showers Monday night. And then into Tuesday, for the most part, outside of a few stray snow showers north, it's a dry day. Total precip between now and Tuesday looks like this. I think it's a general 1/10 to 3/4 of an inch across the entire region, depending on exactly where some of these specific showers set up. But again, it's mostly, if not all, rain here. Looking at snowfall totals through Tuesday, you can see a little bit on the backside, maybe in across the interior, but again, really not too much here. Okay. Now, wind gusts with this system, it's going to be quite windy. The highest gust between now and Tuesday looks like this. 40 to 60 miles an hour will pretty much do it. So let's talk about that real quick. This evening, those winds are going to ramp up out of the south, and you'll see tomorrow morning it's pretty breezy in most areas here. And through the afternoon Monday, it's a breezy, operationally impactful wind type day out of the south. And then as the system moves away, those southerly winds will shift westerly and will still keep them up through Monday night, 20 to 40 miles an hour. Even into the start of Tuesday, we could be pretty breezy before things taper off by the afternoon. So a very windy Sunday night, Monday, and Monday night expected with this system as well. So not just a rain risk, it's a wind risk as well. And then we turn our attention to Wednesday. Tuesday right now looks fine, no issues. Wednesday, okay. So we talked about this on Friday. I was worried this thing was going to trend north. It did the opposite, significantly so, to the point where there could be a period of light snow showers Wednesday along the coast. But right now, this thing is moving very quickly. It's developing as it moves by, but you notice the European here, not much. Just to give you an idea on total precip, a trace to 1/10 of an inch. That's a coating to an inch or two of snow along the coast. We'll watch that model. The GFS is a little bit more bullish on better snow because the system strengthens just a little bit sooner. But even here, you look at the total precip amounts, and they're not all that impressive. It's a coating to a couple inches of snow inland. And this model would be about 1/10 of an inch to 1/2 an inch of precip along the coast. Maybe that's a light to moderate snowfall, more like maybe 2 to 4 inches or something, right? And then finally, our Canadian model, very weak as well, but similar along the coast. A small accumulation possible as this moves away. You see it's a trace to about 0.2 of an inch of precipitation. So what am I trying to say here? Well, what I'm trying to say is Wednesday is likely going to feature some snow, but I think the amounts are on the lower side right now. I think our most bullish model is showing is the GFS here, and it's showing, like I said, just to give you an idea with even I'll show you the snow amounts here. You can see it's a couple inches of snow during the day on Wednesday. So it is something we're going to continue to monitor, and if you do receive our local PDFs here tomorrow morning, you will get a full update on that. If you have questions, let us know, and we'll be back with another video here tomorrow. Take care.